What have we got here, Joseph?
It's my dream car.
What are you building?
This is an S14. Just kidding. It's an S15. SR20.
Yep.
Just the usual SMSC's garage combo. Some D-Max, some Origin.
So you got a bit of a sacrilegious body kit marriage going on here.
Yeah.
With Origin and D-Max. Looks pretty cool though.
I think it works. Yeah.
Tell us about this engine.
It's GTX 3071 turbo.
Yep.
I went for slightly bigger injectors because it's actually forged.
Oh, so there's a forged bottom end?
Yeah.
Oh man, what a flash guy.
Yeah.
So what's the specs on the bottom end then, do you?
No clue really.
Okay.
I've got a list, but
yeah.
I don't like to read the brochure.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, so we've actually got a forged motor, and what about the head? Obviously there's been some stuff done.
Yeah, it's got Tomy pond cams in it now, but it's got all BC valves and retainers and that sort of stuff.
Yep.
ID 1700 injectors.
Big boy stuff.
Yeah, and then just turbo smart wastegate and.
So it's basically the combo that the shop car uses, Graham uses, I use.
Yeah.
But you've got an actual forged motor, so you're probably going to make a lot more power if you want to.
Yeah, probably not going to want to, but
yeah. So your plans are to keep it sort of reliable package, so sort of around low 300s.
Yeah,
is what you're
ideally.
thinking. Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you want to just run through the bits and bobs that you and Graham have done, fabrication wise, and that kind of stuff?
Yeah, well, after Joe drove the shop car at Met Series last year, I think he got hooked.
Yeah.
So we're building him a Silvio.
Yep.
Pretty much the same like recipe that we came up with after building that car, because it seems to work pretty good.
Yep.
Kind of the only difference is this car's got a built motor.
Yeah.
But we'll probably still run it around, well, Joe will still run it around the same sort of power level.
Yeah, yeah.
Just to keep it fun and not mowing through tyres and expensive.
And obviously this came in here as a complete-ish car, I guess, so it's been stripped back. Joe's done a lot of that, and you guys have taken things on from there as far as fab work and stuff goes.
Yep.
Yeah,
so we throw it on a dolly, and kind of the first job was seam welding all the strut tower area.
Yep.
We don't bother doing the whole car, but it seems like Sylvia's S15 seem alright, but like S13s, because they're so old, seem to sort of rip the seams apart in the engine bay, just from, I don't know, the stresses of drifting. So yeah, we just mainly focus on the strut tower area and the lower radiator support area where the caster iron brackets bolt on, because the chassis rails seem to kind of rip themselves apart.
Oh really? Like actually like out?
Yeah, like the
splay
shop
out.
car, because we were rushing to build it, we didn't end up seam welding it.
Yeah.
And at the moment the chassis rails aren't even attached to
far out, okay.
To that lower radiator support. So yeah, went through, welded all that up. We're waiting on doing a cage because we've got another S15 here.
Yep.
That we're working on, so we'll do them both at once, just to make it a bit easier.
So you guys have made, let's start at the front, I guess. So we got a intercooler through here, so you guys have done sort of custom end tanks to do the whole mid-mount intercooler setup.
Well, the shop car's got a part shop max intercooler because that's just what we had at the time, and we're in a time crunch. But on Graham's car, he did a similar setup to this.
Yeah.
So we've done the same on this. It's just a 600 by 280, I think, core that we just made up some end tanks that.
So it was a generic intercooler with the end tanks on. You whip them off.
Yeah, just like a normal Chinese intercooler.
Yep.
But we've used them before. They're like quite a good core design.
Yeah. Okay.
So you just whip the tanks off and make our own.
Yep. So they look. I mean, you can't really see it super good in here, but this whole front edge is all rolled and all shaped back to, I'm guessing, direct the air out the holes.
Yeah. Somewhat.
Cool. Okay, and then just running through Joe's part list. Really, he's got a G-Ready intercooler here. So this has all been mounted. It's got the same Falcon fans still, Joe?
Yep.
Which have all been mounted up as well. So you guys have done intercooler piping and intake and manifold and exhaust obviously being started now. So this is basically all the stuff is the same, exactly the same design as the other.
Yeah, same
the other
as
cars
the shop
that we're
car
running
and
with.
Graham's car.
Yep.
And soon Joel's car when he pulls his finger.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like quite a simple car when it comes to like drift cars these days. Like there's no tube front, tube rear, dog boxes and winter's diffs and stuff.
Yeah.
But we kind of just focus on the areas that need to be focused on.
Yeah.
So the subframe, we just strengthen it up a bit, and also the lower arm mounts, or the brackets that hold the lower arms in the subframe, they tend to, after a wear and tear, split open.
Yeah.
So I just get some M12 washers and weld them to the
the holes for the bolts.
Yeah, kind of like double skin them.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can see that. So it's got a few gussets to strengthen it up, and those are those washers I was just talking about.
So we got Joe's car in here, got a little temporary spray booth up in my old shop. We're actually moving out of this shop and moving to another shop in Auckland. So this is last weekend here, so we're trying to get Joe's interior boot and interior and engine bay done. So I know we have probably missed a big chunk of build progress in this, but all the cages all done. It's been H prime now, but yeah, all TIG welded right throughout, from rear strut towers, door bars here, and right through to the front struts. So yeah, pretty sweet little number. Vinny P about to lay down some paint. So yeah, He's got the primer all done. It's come up pretty nicely. Looks really good. So engine bay is all done. Interior's all sorted. Yeah, it's looking really good. And the boot done as well. So it's just interior stuff, that interior boot and engine bay that's getting done today. So yeah, the colour is a stock Toyota JZX 110 silver. It's the colour that Joe's Mark II is. Those are actually the flares that are on the front of it. So I'm going to put a lick of paint over that because Joe's selling that car. So yeah, that is going on. That colour's going on here for the stuff, but the outside is a different colour, which we will show you all once it's done. Good colour choice. Vinny loving life right now. You see all the sparkles floating around in the air, eh? Yeah, it's pretty good.
Here we go. Okay, so it's Ash here because Ridman's gone to go do family things with his little boy and his wife. So we've got the base coat down now. It looks kind of gold in this photo, but it's actually silver. The photo and video, it's just because of these yellow halogen lights. But Vinny's doing a pretty good job so far. It's actually kind of a champagne silver, which is probably why there's that gold tinge. See if we can get some shot of it in the direct light. Also, Joe got his fenders for the front of his JZX 110 painted because it's the same colour. It's like a factory Toyota colour.
Okay, it's way easier with like a mini cut as well.
Did I not mix that? No.
Alrighty,
I'll paint these first and then we'll drag them out.
clear coat time.
I'll paint these right now.
Oh, there we go, we can film. Spray on his hand, it's so good. Hold up. Gee, look at that gloss. Glossy. So all the clear coat's added now. Which looks pretty shiny.
So it's just kind of like you choose where it's drying or fine.
What do you reckon, Joe? Yeah, it's pretty good. There's like something green reflecting in here, right?
It's just the way the light.
Like in the camera, it just looks green.
You are.
That looks spot on. Hey Joe. Hey, so we pulled all the tape off and it's all. There's no more tape! Yay! So it's all silver now. This our hard-working painter.